Simple Life with Chris and Tara. Well, we got the first till in on the garden. Still a little bit wet, but it was a nice day, so we thought we'd try to get something done and let it dry out a little more, and then we'll hit it again. Now it's time to go clean out some of the chicken coop. We do the deep bedding method, and it's about time to clear out and go get to town and get some new straw and put in it. That's next.
Garden, and we're also going to be working on getting our chicken coop cleaned out for the springtime, because we do the deep seed started for our garden, and we also are going to be working on cleaning out our chicken coop because we do the deep bedding method, and it's time to go ahead and get it cleaned out for springtime. And so we're coming to Tractor Supply today. Oops, RuralKing. Back to Simple Life with Chris and Tara. Today we're working on getting all of our seeds, well, most of our seeds started for our garden, and then we're also going to be getting the straw for our chicken coop because it needs cleaned out. We do the deep bedding method, and it's just time to go ahead and get cleaned out for springtime. Right now we are at RuralKing and come here to get some straw, and then of course to check out the Babychicks.
Hey, you want a bone? Here.
Probably up for the $5.99. So 4 at $5.99, and then we're gonna get 2 golden comets.
Oh, got it here.
Two what?
Golden comets.
Alright.
Ooh, the dark one's pretty.
$3.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Was a trap.
Ta-da! Look how Minnie's going home with us. Okay, so name them off what we have.
2 Buff Orpington, 2 Americanas, 2 Sapphire Gems, 2 Calico Princess, 2 Cuckoo Marans, and 1 Starlight.
So now, since we were only down to, how many were we down to, Cassie?
6.
6. So now we're adding to our 6. Come for straw, but we ended up coming away with chicks and no straw.
13.